Good morning, everybody. It's Friday. Let's get right to it. We have some holy water beside me. The chart is in front of me. And now we are ready to hunt. We're watching AMD and we're watching Nvidia. We're watching many stocks that still bumping from yesterday. Of course, BBYQ doing all right. Let me just go here. We got BBYQ jumping 5% in pre-market, and we still have this trade open. And we entered around the 25 cents. So we'll see a continuation. Nvidia is still open, and pre-market is still holding, at least in the green. And we got AI. Yes, AI is still holding. So we might have a continuation for AI. Look at this beautiful chart. Okay, welcome everybody. Xander and Martin, number 1 on our live chat section. Welcome everybody. Yes, Martin, of course, we're gonna hunt for another unicorn for today. Xander, we didn't do any watch list for today. The reason is we don't have a good setup for the other stocks. It's kind of dumping down. So we have some stocks I was watching in pre-market, like SHPH. It was good from yesterday hunt because we're still holding the $1 as we said. We're gonna have a pump. So today we had the pump, but we got rejected here around the $1.90. So the $1.90 is the resistance for SHPH or Shuttle Pharmaceutical Holding. Profit taking should be around the $2.60 and the $3.38. We'll see if we're still holding over this AMA when the market open. The other one we got this one, ELEV. 75%, now squeezing from the $5. We have a great reversal from the $3.45 support. So yeah, this one looking pretty promising. We already did 50% reversal, so this one looking good. ELEV should be the first for today, and let me add it here on our list. ELEV. We might hunt for this one when the market open. Yeah, 73% and yesterday 16%. The other one we got EFTR. Yes, not good. We have a huge dump. Try to break the $1.20. Now going back to the bottom support. We'll keep it just in case. This one, on the other hand, SFR, it was the top gainer in the pre-market. But look at this. We got huge rejection. Once again, we got the 50 cents. Yes, the 50 cents should be a breakout. We got 68% here. And we might have another pump around the 62. Okay, so this one might be a good trade as long as we don't have a huge pullback. Yeah, we started to have a pullback from now. I will see if we hold here for a reversal. The other one, WLDS, is still holding the bottom support. Let's see a breakout. Yes, let's see a breakout around this level, $1.18. Yes, then we might have a profit taking here around $1.46 and there $1.80 and the $2.28. If we reversed, because here should be a breakout zone. BMR, okay, looking interesting. 13%. Yeah, we might have a breakout there. yeah, might have great action for this because it started to reverse. Nvidia, yes, is sideways consolidating. As we said for Nvidia, if we have the price holding over the 368, we're gonna have a continuation over the 400. Otherwise, pulling back toward the 337. Otherwise, the price go up or down, we could actually hunt for Nvidia. So the price can go anywhere. Now is anticipation. BBYQ doing all right, as we said. Still, we have a trade open for BBYQ. We entered around the 25 cents, and now in pre-market, I think around 31 cents. Okay, this good hunt. We're already 25% on this one. We got resistant around the 36. Watch out, BBYQ. We might get rejected around the 36. By the way, guys, we got Memorial Day on Monday, so the market closed in America. So yeah, we have holidays coming up for United States. I think the market is open in Europe. But yeah, that's what we do here. We watch the United States market because this is where the action happen. So that's why we're gonna have a long weekend, guys. Long weekend. I'm gonna miss you guys. Will be a long weekend, 3 days. However, we can take this time to recover, or think about our past trade, and at the same time, I take those kind of days to replenish my energy. At the same time, think about my past trade and try to perfect my trades. Oh, holiday on Europe as well. I didn't know that. Wait a second. So in the United States there is a Memorial Day. In Europe, what's the reason for a holiday? Because I don't know what's going on. The only news that I'm watching is like finance news. The other news, I'm kind of turn off this kind of thing. I'm focusing about the things that I want to see. Okay, what's going on with AMD? Still pumping or not? Yeah, we have this pattern for AMD still looking good. Yeah, still looking good. Let me refresh our stock screener. We got EFTR still on our list, I think. Yes. As we said, we have a huge pullback, so it's kind of tricky to trade this one. Even though it's still up 130%. The other one, as we said, is SFR, second one. It's the top volume gainer for today, 10 million in pre-market. Yeah, it looks interesting. We'll see if we might hunt this one. Okay, we got this one, have a breakout before the market open. We might have a hunt for this one when the market open. We'll see. Let's see if we hold here over the $4.90, and then let's see. Yeah, we have new levels for this one. We might have a continuation when the market open. That's why we bought it first. Yeah, this one is still pulling back. It's getting near a breakout zone, so I'll give it time. BMR looking good. We kind of have a breakout now for BMR. Looking interesting. Look at this. We might have a pump of 20% for BMR. And going to the green side. Now it's 12% down. I'll keep my eye on this one because it's looking ready to do something. PACW still holding the support. We have a huge pullback before the breakout zone, the $9. This one gave up big time. We have a huge short attack for many stocks. For MBOT, yeah, 6%. This one is not giving up easily, even though we dropped big time from the all-time high on Monday from the $4.30. We dropped almost 50% from the 4 until the 2. Now I'm watching for the $2.42 for MBOT. Okay, MBOT, maybe we might have a trade for it, so I'll put it down with the other stock like BBBYQ, Nvidia. They are looking promising. Still looking for another setup like this one might be good. That's why I put it here. AQST, still looking good. Lunar, on the other hand, is still accumulating down. I will keep my eyes on Lunar because this is a crazy stock. It could jump in a matter of few seconds. We learn our lesson. Never let any stock go. We have to be ready to hunt. It's like yes, like you are a fisherman. If you're not ready to catch the fish will escape from you. And sometimes it's getting boring, you know, because you have to wait until the fish see the bait and take the bait, then you catch it. But during this situation, you have to sit and stand still or sit still, never move, in order to catch the fish. The same here. Take time. Take time. Once you look away, the trade will be gone. It happened to me so many times, man. Like a watch for a setup for one stock to pump, and once I stopped looking, the next day it jumped big time. And started to say what if, and this is the recipe for a disaster, you know, recipe to losing money, saying what if I got all in, or what if I did this or took profit there instead of there. And now I learned that nobody can actually go back in time, you know. If you have this power, it means you're superhuman, and you should have never tell anybody about it. But yeah, if you have the superpower to go back in time, this would be a crazy good, because you can have everything. You have the power to predict the future. Yeah, there's two choices. Either you could predict the future or the past, or you go back in like in the past. But I think the best is not predicting the future, but going back in time. Because if going back in time is the same, you know, because if you go back in time, you can undo some things, and then you go back to present time, and it's kind of knowing the future back, but in reverse. Because knowing the future is really good and bad at the same time, you know. Nope, man, I'm not high on weed. Not yet. I'm just try to explain what is on my mind. Always have this kind of crazy thought. GFAI. Okay, GFAI may be looking good with Jax, with GDC. We got some stocks looking good. Xella getting hammered. Xella is getting hammered down. Not good. FRCB, the same, is getting hammered. Yes, almost game over. It's almost game over. We tried to break the 47, but yes, short seller won for now. BIOR still looking good. So GameStop have the same trend as AMD. We got some channel forming. Okay, this one is still pumping pre-market. We might have a huge reversal in the market open because we already did the huge pump in the pre-market already. We did the huge reversal. So this is the pre-market or yesterday. And today we opened the pre-market down and did already 50%. PMR, don't like the reaction here, so change the levels. WLDS, let's try to test the $1.18. Okay, we have pullback for AMD. Guys, plus the like button on the way in, don't forget. Again, guys, plus the like button and the way in. The day is getting hotter. The summer is coming early, guys. Summer is coming early. This weekend here in France will be really hot, almost 30 degrees. Gem, let's short the market. Okay, AMD is reversing down. We'll see if we have red market or green, because now it's still testing. The market's still testing. Guys, plus the like button on the way in. Come on, let's bring the likes up. Now we have almost 100 people watching and just 40 likes. Come on, we can do better. Let's do the 50 likes now. Let's hunt for 50. 41. Fajr Fine Seal. He could actually like 5 times. There's a chance that you actually can like our live streaming 5 times. There's a loophole in YouTube. So if you watch him from your phone, you can actually open your laptop and like from there. And if you have different account, you can like from there as well. If you have family of 10 people, you can like from their phones. So the limit of options to make more likes is unlimited. So yeah. Let's hit the 50, guys. Let me just check. Yeah, I know, Martin. France, Europe. We are in France. Female wealth. Welcome from Denmark. Oh, I've never been in Denmark before. I've been in Netherlands, in Germany, but never in the Denmark. I think there's the northern, the Aurora over there, near Sweden. Yes, I never visit, but it's on my list actually to go to Sweden and Denmark. Yes, it's always cold in the north. I prefer the south always. Yeah, will be fun. I think the coming week, I think it will be sunny everywhere here in Europe, at least, and North Africa. We're gonna have a hot day. For your financier, cold is good. Yeah, I like cold. I always take cold shower each day. Let's get right to it, guys. The market is about to open. Let's go, let's go, let's go. This one is pumping. The market is open. Remember that day trading is risky and our live streaming is a bit delayed. Watch out. Okay, so watching BBYQ is pumping 24%. Nvidia. Okay, the market is open. We have Nvidia. This one ELEV. Yes, this one we need a pullback because it's overextended now. Yeah, we need a pullback for this one. SFR, yes, BMR, WLDS. Okay, this one maybe would be a good trade, guys, if we broke the $1.18. So this one might be it. Okay, we have AI. And we have WLDS. Let me just check this one if we have a trade for it. Whoa, WLDS. Let me just open a small position here. Why? This is the problem here. I can't open a position. Small position. I will wait until we break the $1.18. So this is a good reaction for WLDS. Great reaction. Now it's testing. We'll see if we have a breakout. I'll put it down. And BMR, nope. This one, nope. This one, nope. Nvidia pumping down. BBYQ is holding. This is good. MBOT. Whoa, MBOT is good. MBOT is about to break. Let me just put it down with BBYQ. Yes, so MBOT, guys, looking good. WLDS looking good for a breakout. Both of them is about to break right now. Okay, AI still holding. This one is pumping down. Nvidia is holding. BBYQ is holding. I'm watching this one and that one. MBOT, I think we have a breakout. Let me just take this. I'll put MBOT. Whoa, MBOT kind of breaking now. Let me just open a small position here. For a second, we still don't have a breakout yet. It's still testing, but it's good reaction on the market open. Okay, let me just bring my support. The support should be here around the 2.24. We might have a pump now. Watch out. We need to hold here for MBOT to break. Otherwise, it's not good. Okay, we have a pullback now. Let me just put a resistance around the 2.45. Yeah, still testing. Still testing. We need to hold here. We need to hold around the 222. WLDS was gonna be still holding this one. The $1 is our support. $1.18 is the breakout zone. This one is pulling back. Okay, which one? Come on, MBOT. We need a break. We have a test but rejection. Still, we don't have a break. SFR is pumping down. BMR as well. This one as well. This one. Nvidia is still holding. NA. Let me just check if we have some runner here. FFIE is pumping, but still we have a resistance a bit far. Exilla is pumping, but the resistance is far. So yeah, we don't have many stocks to watch except for few. You see what's happened here? WLDS got rejected, MBOT got rejected. So I'm waiting for a break, guys. We don't have a confirmation for a breakout for any stock yet. This one already broke, but in pre-market. So I'm waiting for holding now. If we don't hold now is really weakness, and we're gonna go toward the 4, and here should be good entry. As we said, this is overextended. This stock is overextended. MBOT still have a huge wick from above and down below. Undecision, guys. Undecision phase for MBOT. We got undecision. WLDS still holding. MBOT, come on. The $2.45 should be a breakout. AMD broke, kind of. We need to hold the $1.19 now. Tesla is pumping. Nvidia is down almost 1%. Yeah, AMD is pulling back. Maybe we're gonna have a pullback now for many stocks. See what's happened here? We have a test, then a rejection. Boom. MBOT still. What's gonna be? We got double top, I think, in pre-market, and then when the market open, double top around this level. Over the $2.50 should be a breakout for MBOT. This one got rejected, but still holding. $1 is our support for WLDS. Top gainer, this one ELEV, still holding the support, the $4.90. This one is top gainer for today. Okay, this one, the top gainer. We have a breakout. Yes, right on the market open. We had, yeah, almost 10% now already. Let's see if we broke this resistance. And let's see if we have a support. Yeah, the support is there around the $1.93. Say ONFO looking good. This one, nope. Nope. Okay, let me just check this one. Yeah, this one is a bit expensive. Marvel Technology. I think we got earnings. Earnings after hours. And jumping another 20%. This one got earnings yesterday. We might see the same reaction as Nvidia, a pullback after this huge earnings. Okay. Okay, SFR, we have a huge reversal from RMA. We might have a breakout now around the 50 cents. Yeah, we have a try for a breakout here. Mbot $2.45 should be a breakout. Support is over the $2. Support is over the $2 for Mbot. WLDS. Oh brother, this one as well, we kind of have a try to break this level of resistance, but we didn't. Yeah, SFR, this is unusual for a huge pump from this bottom. So SFR, we have a huge range, guys. Watch out, we have a huge range here. So be extremely careful. As we said, the 50 should be our breakout zone. Otherwise, we might have a continuation down toward the 27 and flush. For Mbot, as we said, the $2 should be our support. Breakout zone over the $2.45. We have two tests here in pre-market and when the market open. So we have to give it time a bit because the volume is a bit light, 300K. That's it, really light. WLDS the same. The support is the 1. If we held it, we're gonna have a breakout. So this one, patience as well. The volume is better than Mbot, is almost 2 million. And we have clear breakout should happen around the $1.18 toward the $1.46. Mbot have a bit of reversal now. We might have another try to break the $2.45. BBYQ jumping 17%. Nice. We be ready to take profit, guys. Watch out. BBYQ, we should take profit around the 36 before major resistance. So this is a huge resistance coming for BBYQ. Because we've already been pumping since Monday, beginning of this week. So we might have a pullback. Look at this. We have a huge pump for BBYQ after this huge consolidation. So this time we might have a reversal. Mbot is about to break now. Mbot is about to break. Watch out. We need to have a retest. Next time we see the $2.50, game on. Game on for Mbot. Okay. ELEV still holding. As we said, the $4.90 should be our support. If we held it, we're gonna have a reversal. If we held it, we're gonna have a reversal. Otherwise, a flush. Flush down toward the $4. BMR is pumping. Nope, still we need to break the $5.34. TLRY. Mbot is bumping. Mbot is bumping. Okay, come on. We need volume, man. It's just 300K. We could make more. Because if we got 1 million, it would be easier to squeeze. We might have the $3 for Mbot for today. Let me just bring AI. We'll see if we have some action. Okay, AI doing all right. AI 1%. A breakout zone for AI should be around the 32. Watch out. The 32 should be our breakout zone for AI. Let's go. AI should be a good continuation stock. This one is still holding. Whoa, we have a reversal. $4.90, huge buyer. We have a huge buyer for ELEV, huge buyer for this one. Look at this. We held perfectly over our support. Let me just check how much here. 6%. We held. Okay, if we retested once again, we might have a flush. Watch out. So, anticipation mode. AI, we have a huge reversal when the market open. We did 4%, now it's dumping down. Okay, ELEV. It's about to do something drastic. Let me just check how much we can do from here. 27%. Yeah, maybe we're gonna have action. ELEV will be the unicorn if we hold the current support gem. Okay, so BBYQ, we might, yeah, we have a bit of pullback. Yeah, it's overextended for BBYQ. As we said, the 36 should be the price of reversal. Like what we happened here, you see, we have a huge pump, then we got a huge reversal. The same here, a huge pump, and here a huge reversal. So watch out for BBYQ and be ready to take my profit for BBYQ pretty soon. You see, we have a pump now for BBYQ. Watch out, guys. BBYQ is pumping, and MBOT is pumping as well. Watch out. So be ready to exit from BBYQ trade because now it's pumping 9%. Still waiting for MBOT to break the $2.45. And this one's getting near. As we said, BMR is not ready yet because we are below the $5.34. This one is game over, EFTR. I'll take it from the list. And let me just check the other stocks. GCT is breaking some levels. Watch out, GCT kind of breaking some levels. It's still below the $7.64, but it's good to break. Whoa, WLLDS is pumping. Whoa, it's pumping this one. WLDS, we have a huge breakout. Yeah, 15%, but it's already gone. I will watch MBOT breakout, so we might have the same reaction as happened for WLDS. We might have it for MBOT, so watch out. BBYQ is pumping, guys, 14%. Let me just go here and maybe close BBYQ trade, because we're already 37% on this one. So I'll be ready to close this trade because we're getting near the 36. Watch out, BBYQ is about to break. And we have almost 14% for today. So I will be ready to close the trade. Yeah, we entered here around the 25 cents. And we already jump around the 35. Whoa, it's pumping. 36 is exit point. 36 is exit. 35 now. BBYQ, guys, is pumping. Great, Alvaro. Great hunt, brother. For WLDS, the profit should be around the $1.46, the first one. So for WLDS, as long as we hold over the $1 game on toward the $1.46 and the $1.80. Okay, so let me just check WLDS. We have a bit of pull back here. Okay, let me just enter with small position for this one. Yeah, 48 shares. So I'll put 48 or 400 shares. Small position for WLDS. As we said, for WLDS, we should watch out for the $1.46. So this is the first profit taken, 20%. And for BBYQ, man, BBYQ, we should take profit really soon. Yeah, so we should take profit pretty soon for BBYQ before a huge pullback. We have to be ready. We have to be ready to take profit on this trade. Really good trade. It was slow trade, took some days. You see here, we're getting near 34.90, 36. We should close the trade. After that, will be a bit risky. We might have a pullback, as we said. Okay, WLDS is still pumping. BBYQ, okay, getting near our profit taken. BBYQ is to the sky. It's going to the sky. 35.90 or 35.70. Okay, getting near the 36. AI looking good as well. Okay, BBYQ need patience. Okay, we broke. ELEV is not unicorn anymore. because we broke the support, the $4.90. So I will be watching for the $4 support. We might have an entry here for this stock. Here should be a reversal. We could actually make a good reversal here. Yeah, we could make a good reversal. BBYQ have a bit of struggle. Okay, I'm gonna close my position here with almost 35%. So I'm gonna close it before a pullback. Okay, perfect. We exited from this trade. We might have a pullback now for BBYQ, so that's why we close. We're getting near huge resistance zone. Boom. Now we have to focus on the other stocks like WLDS because it's jumping, and we already opened a small position for WLDS. We'll see. I would take BBYQ from the list, watching WLDS. Nvidia, of course, we kept it because it's a swing trade for this one. Already 25%. We already entered before the earnings for this trade. And WLDS is pumping, so this one we're gonna have huge pump for it. That's why we entered. Now we're already almost 5% on this trade. We'll see if we're gonna hit the $1.46 for it. Let's go. There's a huge fight for MBOT. Huge seller is still there, guys. Huge seller, I'm telling you. Once we break it, we're gonna have a squeeze, like what happened for WLDS. WLDS, pumping, guys, pumping. Going toward the first profit taken, $1.39. Great hunt, guys, for this one. We're already 13% on this one. We entered here around this breakout, $1.18. Now it's pumping. $1.46 should be the first profit taken. Watch out. $1.46 is getting near. Now $1.36. We entered around the $1.22. So this is our average price. Yeah, $1.37. $1.46. And then the $1.80 if we really squeezed. But I suggest to take profit first around the $1.40. Yes, another kick. We need another kick. Just another kick. Little kick. We need just a little kick. AI is still holding, guys. AI is still looking good. This one I'm watching for a dump again toward the 4 for entry. As we said, is overextended in pre-market. That's why we didn't enter. AI is still looking good. WLDS. Come on, we need another kick. Now we're already 13%. We entered a small position. $1.39, come on, another kick. $1.46, we need $1.46. $1.40, 46, yes. Okay, let me just take profit here. We're already almost 18% on this trade. Yes, perfect, guys. I'm gonna exit right now. Take profit, always take profit, guys. Don't be greedy. Don't be greedy. Never be greedy. Good hunt. Everybody, good hunt. Good hunt, guys, for WLDS. We had the squeeze. We had the squeeze. Yes, Alvaro. Alvaro, good hunt, brother. Holy water. Okay, now it's pullback time. We should have a pullback. Let me adjust this level. We should have a pullback here. WLDS, for the people who just came in, we hunted this one on the breakout. We're watching for this pullback, and we had this pullback. We entered around the $1.22. We ride it around the $1.48. We took profit before this pullback. Good hunt for WLDS. And the other stock we hunted is BBYQ. You see what's happened, guys? We took our profit before the pullback for BBYQ. We exited with almost 35%, and we said the 36 should be a pullback zone. See what's happened here? A pullback for BBYQ. Great hunt for this one as well. Now we watching MBOT, the only stock that actually tricked us, because we entered around this breakout zone, and we kind of have a bit of fake out. You see what's happened here? A fake out. So now we're waiting. As long as we hold the $2, we're gonna have action. So let me just go here, take WLDS, because we already took our profit. I'm not entering once again. And NVIDIA will keep it open. AI, I will keep it open. We already entered for this trade yesterday because we did chart analysis update. I don't know if you saw it, guys. We already did chart analysis update for AI. Yes, AI. We did this chart analysis update after our live streaming, and we said there is a breakout will happen soon as long as we hold this ascending channel, and that's why we opened our trade yesterday, and now we are 4% on this trade. And guess what? Now 4% and still pumping. And now we're holding just one trade in bot. We have 5% loss on this one, so I'm still keeping it because we're still holding over the $2. Once we break the $2.45, we're gonna have a huge pump. Watch out. This one should be like this. We might have a 20%. So this one I'm risking, yes, 15%, but I will gain if actually pumped 45% or even 25%. So yeah, high risk, high reward. High risk, high reward. I will watch. Yes, kind of consolidating zone now. It's consolidating zone. So this is my exit around the $2. If the price pull back around the $2, I will exit. It's not good. I'll just take my loss and exit. Okay, I think we are over leveraged here, but I will keep it anyway. Anyway, we got AI, we got NVIDIA, and PACW is down a bit. Let me just check the other stocks. We got SFR, BMR, NVIDIA is still holding, brother, still holding. GCT, man, GCT is pumping from the bottom, guys. We have kind of breakout. We kind of have a breakout here. This is good. Watch out, we might have a breakout now for GCT over the $7.64 or a rejection. So this is the squeeze zone. But we're already pumped from the bottom, so I will be extremely careful. So now we need to hold over the $6.46 to confirm that. GCT looking good, guys. GCT, I will put it down. I will put it right below here. Wow, look at this. WLDS got rejected big time. Good morning, Hiba. Good morning. Hiba. I think this is Arabic name. John, why are you crying about selling BBYQ around the 36? Yeah, I figured. I think my cousin named Hiba as well. Good morning, Edison. My favorite guy, man. Thomason Edison. The guy who invented the light bulb. I like this guy, man. He never say no. He never say no. Alvaro, WTER, looking good. We'll see. Kevin, thank you, brother. Thank you. Wait a second. Boom. WLDS. Yes. A huge selling pressure. That's why we took profit and exited quickly for this one. AI, I'm still holding this trade. It's looking good, guys. AI looking pretty nice. That's why I'm holding it with Nvidia. Both of them is swing trade. For AI, we opened the trade yesterday after we did the swing trade here on our Discord before the market close for AI trade. Now we are up almost 5% on this one. I will keep it. And let me just check. ELEV, guys, I'm watching for this one for a pullback until the 4 for entry. Now I will keep looking because it's not looking good now. Not looking good because we got resistance around the $4.80. Let me just lower this around here. Profit taken. Yeah, support around the 4. So I will put AI down because it's pumping. We put GCT because it's about to pump. BBBYQ. Yeah, BBBYQ is preparing to break the 36. We got selling pressure, but someone bought on the top. Okay, Nvidia, perfect. So let us watch GCT because this one is mean business. And of course, we watch AI. And MBOT, we got 1 million now, finally. 1 million worth of volume. But this one, as we said, we need to hold over the two guys. Otherwise, we're going to have a sell-off. Where? Of course, toward the $1.57. So watch out for this one. High risk, high reward. This trade is high risk, high reward. Yes, AI looking good, guys. AI looking pretty nice now. Yeah, pretty nice, 5%. Okay, AMD, let me just take this. AMD looking still nice. Mira up, Tesla finally up 2% or almost 3%. But is have a chubby trade, you know, chubby chart. It's not clean. I'm watching for a pullback for Nvidia. It's still overextended. We need a pullback, guys. We have accumulation here. Maybe next week we're gonna have huge action again for Nvidia. See with me, look at this. Looking beautiful. Looking really beautiful. Okay, so we got green day. Hopefully we don't have a pullback in the power hour. Marvel, this one looking pretty nice, man. MRVL. Yeah, we got great earnings. It's pumping 25%. Price target is around the 75. Palantir, oh boy, this one is pumping. There is no tomorrow. Pumping is like no tomorrow. Yes, this one is pumping is like no tomorrow. Wow, Palantir, we might have a huge action for today. I'm telling you guys, Palantir, Great action for Palantir. Okay, PACW still holding our ascending channel. Yes, as we said, this one should be our support. Let me just check. Man, AI is squeezing, guys. AI is squeezing big time. Yeah, AI is squeezing big time. Yeah, AI, we might have a break for the 32. And GCT is about to break the $7.64. Guys, bless the like button on the way in. It's Friday. Come on. Show some love. Louise, you're asking the moon. You're asking the moon. 200% push. But I like the confident. I like the optimistic view. You don't ask for less. You always ask for more. Yes, it's a nice name, Hiba. Is I think in English is a gift, you know. I think the translation for Hiba is the gift. So you are the gift. Really good name. And usually, like when I ask my friend here in Europe and ask them what's the meaning of their name, they don't have the meaning. It's kind of sad, you know, because for our tradition, Arabic tradition, once we name someone, we have to have a meaning behind the name, like crazy meaning. All the names in Arabic have good meanings, you know. So I really like this kind of tradition that we have. GCT, AI, man. AI is bombing, guys. So many of you asking about the entry. The entry was perfect yesterday when we discussed it here. It was near our ascending channel. So this is where you enter, near the support. The risk will be really less, you know. So if you enter now, there's a bit of risk because if we got rejected here, we might break this ascending channel. And if you want to calculate from here to there, almost 10%. So if you're willing to lose almost 10%, go ahead and buy. If you're not, then wait until we have the breakout from the 32 for confirmation for a squeeze. Yes, around this level. We might have a huge squeeze for AI. Yeah, let's watch AI because this one means business, guys. As we said, we already entered yesterday. Now it's $30. Yesterday we entered around the 28.45. This is our average price. And we waiting for continuation. We might have a good action for AI. As everybody knows, is the time for AI now. It is the AI year. WLDS, everybody said is back. I think so, yeah, because we have a pullback. We have a pullback, but still, guys, this is the resistance. Still watching. If we broke it, game on toward the $1.80. Otherwise, continue to go down. So I'm still watching. I'm not entering. I'm on the sideline. For GCT as well, I'm not entering because we are below the $7.64. But we got good reaction, which is breaking this descending channel, which is escaping from the bearish trend toward the bullish trend. Press the like button and the way in, everybody. And again, a lot of you asking like about joining our Hunter channel. So if you're new here for our channel and you never been here before, just remember we always do a chart analysis update here on our Discord. Day trade or swing trade, okay? And of course on our Patreon. So there's many levels you can choose from. We got the elite or the disciplined hunter. The early hunter is already sold out. So you got 3, okay? The first one here, disciplined hunter, which is you can ask one requested stock each day about the entry and exit, everything. However, the king and the elite, both of them, you have more than one stock to be requested. And the most important thing is Zoom meeting with me. This is good if you want to take your trading career to the next level, because you can ask me directly about things and I can actually reply, and we can actually have like a live example in front of you about the trade that we did in last week. So if you have many questions, you can join us here. Let me just put the link to make it easier for you guys to go to our Patreon. And remember, once you sign up on our Patreon, you're gonna have access to our Discord automatically. And let me just put my email just in case: trading.jesus.contact@gmail.com. This is the only way to contact me, okay guys? The comment section, there's a lot of spammers, so don't reply. And anybody who have Telegram like number or ask you about Telegram number group and have my face and name, don't reply. Just spam, like report them, because they are spammers. The only way here is to contact me is on my business email. So if you have a question, how to join, how everything works, you just send me a message. I will reply as soon as possible. Now let's go back and check. AI still bumping, GCT still holding, WLDS pulling back. As we said, it's not good to enter now. MBOT is still holding, BBBYQ still holding. Okay, so let me just check one thing. See the top volume gainer for today. We got ONFO. 72% today. Not bad, not bad. But there is always a but in the question here, which is we need to hold the $1.93. If we're gonna have a pump for this one, we need to hold this support, break the $2.46 for a huge pump. So ONFO, I will put it on my list for a hunt, for a potential hunt. ONFO. The next one, let me just check if we have another one. This one, I will wait for the $4 reversal. Tesla looking good today. Yeah, surprisingly good. Palantir looking good, man, as well. This one, Tesla and Palantir looking good. MRVL as well looking good. Ford, finally we have a huge pump. I think we got earnings. Nope, we don't have earnings, but yeah, it's pumping from the bottom. AMD, guys, looking crazy juicy now. Let me just check what we did here. Yes, AMD, man. AMD is doing all right. Let me just check if we have a continuation. Okay, AMD looking good for the 125, guys. We might have the 125. Amazon, a lot of you asking about Amazon. Yes, we kind of have a breakout, but let me just check. Nope, not yet. We have a huge test here. We might have another test around the 120, but technically looking pretty juicy. We might have the 144 because we got great earnings last month. Yeah, huge earnings, 45%, man. So we might have a continuation for Amazon. So I'm watching Amazon for a trade, swing trade. So Amazon looking good, AMD looking good. Let me just check this one. Not good right now, but maybe. Virgin Galactic got sold off. AI toward the 8%. Man, this one is about to squeeze, guys. AI, watch out. You know what I'm gonna do now? I will go on my list, put Tesla first, AMD second, then we got Meta, we got Amazon. Where's Amazon? Aha, I don't have Amazon. AMZN. Okay, Amazon looking good, guys, for swing because it's undervalued right now. Let me just put Amazon behind Meta. And then we got Marvel. This one looking juicy, guys. 26%. Oh boy. Okay, Palantir looking good, man. Palantir looking good. Okay, we got great day ahead of us, or great week ahead of us, because everything's pumping now. A new high for many stocks. CXAI. Let me just check CXAI. CXAI. Anything related to AI, guys, is pumping. Just watch out. Anything related to AI is currently bumping. So CXAI, nope, not good at the moment. Not interested. However, AI is pretty nice, guys. This one. Let me just put ONFO and check if we gonna have a trade for this stock. Yes, not now. AI 9%. GCT pulling back. You see what's happened here for GCT? Huge pullback. As we said, the $7.64 should be our breakout. So not good to enter. Maybe we could actually enter now because this is the support to hold. Yeah, this one should be our support reversal. WLDS. Whoa, another pump. Watch out, another pump. So we got rejected. Now is going toward the $1.80. MBOT, man, is kind of weak now, but I would still give it time. We need time. This one, maybe we have a pump in power hour. So I'll give it time because we're still holding the 2. BBYQ is still holding. So I'm watching WLDS, guys. This one could be the runner for today. Yes, $1.64 going toward the $1.80. So watch out. The $1.80 is the next level of rejection. Wow, that's why we have a pump for Ford, because Ford can now use Tesla chargers. Interesting. Guys, blast the like button and the way in. We almost hit the 100. Come on. We have over 100 people watching, but just 72, guys. Come on. Tomorrow's the weekend. And today is Friday. We have to have exceptional likes. We have to have 150, not even 100. Come on, guys. Let's even this out. 72. Let's go toward the 100. 100 likes. This is the goal. 100 likes. Show love. Share love, guys. Share. Share and giving is caring. Caring, sharing, and this is how we live. It's about giving love to your follower traders. 78. Yes, I can feel the love. I'm getting warmer now. Thank you, guys. Thank you. So as we said, we have a long weekend, guys. We have long weekend. Mondays the market is closed. So as we said, we need more likes. Come on, guys, more likes. Okay, false pullback for AI. Let's check. ONFO is still top gainer. We got this one, that one, max. MRVL still pumping. Palantir, Nvidia, Amazon, AMD still pumping. Nice. Let's go AMD. Let's go to the heavens. Look at AMD, guys. AMD mean business. 124. Yeah, 124.40. Come on, let's go. AMD is coming. Who's buying AMD, guys? Who's buying AMD? Stairway to heaven. AMD stairway to heaven. Still bumping. AMD still bumping. We might hit the 125. Watch out, guys. AMD is still pumping. Okay, this is really crazy for AMD. We don't have any pullback yet. Wow, BBBYQ, we have some kind of flag forming. We have some flag forming here. Something about to happen for BBBYQ. Watch out. How everybody doing? Samina. Yes, we got some news about AMD. Luis, brother, how you doing? Hopefully you have a nice weekend with the family. Wait a second, let me just check. Let me just check for you, brother. So as we said, we still have AI on our trade. AI is still looking good, 28. Nvidia, we're still holding it as well, 25% on this one before the earnings. Let me just check one of our question from our hunters, our early hunters. Luis, thank you for support us for many years. Okay, Luis, brother, look, we got OCEA question from Luis. What's going on with this stock? So, Luis, not today. This one I don't suggest to trade it today because volume is really light. We don't have any action today. But just in case if you want to see the bottom and where's the reversal, the $4.49 is our support for this month and even this year in order to have a reversal. And the breakout zone should be the $6. If we broke it, game on and squeeze toward the $7.95, then the $11.34, and then 1757. We already have the technical setup before, because some of you ask about CEA on our Discord, and we already did the chart analysis update. So as we said, $4.49 should be the bottom, $6 should be a breakout. And again, Luis, if you have any question, just PM me on Patreon. We'll reply on your question later on. We'll watch for ONFO. Man, this one is still holding. Look. So if we entered right now, we could actually lose 5% or 6%. And if we pumped, we might have a huge trade. So this one, low risk, high reward actually. $1.93 is our support. AI is getting near the breakout zone and resistance around the 32. GCT went back to our bottom. Watch out. Went back to our bottom price. Should hold here. Otherwise, we're going to have a huge sell-off. Okay, this one got rejected before even the $1.80. Watch out. Yes, we have a flush now, kind of. Let me just check. Yeah, we have kind of break the $1.51. Sign of weakness. And even we didn't go toward the $1.80. Wow, BBYQ kind of broke our flag. Okay, AMD getting near, guys. The profit taken, the 125. Watch out. AMD, we have a jump because some news regarding AI. Yes. Yes, man. All the major stocks talking about AI and their shares just jump. This is the game, guys. This is the game now. Any stock have AI related, game on. Meta as well. I think we have a huge AI movement. Huge AI movement. But remember, guys, few stocks will survive after 5 years from now or 10. Yeah, let's say 10 years from now. Only few AI stocks will survive this battle. It's like what happened to the internet bubble, you know, the dot-com bubble. Everybody knows what happened in 2000 when the bubble burst. Few stocks survived and the others died. So watch out. We might have the same scenario for the AI stocks. The same reaction. We'll have kind of as everybody say, time repeat itself, or history repeat itself. Wow, Mera, looking good for a continuation. Let me just check Amazon. Yes, Amazon, man. Amazon. Telling you. Huge dump down before the bad earnings. Yeah, 82% down. And we got our reversal here in the beginning of this year. So if this beginning of this year you start buying blue chip company, you will be really up. Your portfolio will be up at least 50%. If you just bought the dip, huge dip for many blue chip company, the safest kind of swing trade you can do. And Amazon, I might open a trade for Amazon, swing trade actually. If we broke this level, would be a good swing trade. I will keep it. Yeah, 17% easily for Amazon. This one, yeah, it's a bit overextended. Oh man, that's why I always put my phone on the silent. Wait a second, guys, someone calling. ريما كلميني شوي يا أخي. يعني ندير في يوتيوب لايف. كلميني بعد قريب من ساعة. Okay, we are back. Terminator, I'm back. Okay, still going down, going up. Everything's going up now. Let me just check which one will continue to go up. Meta is pumping. We got Amazon is pumping as well. Palantir, Nvidia is pumping once again. Finally, we have a huge pump from the bottom. So we got some action for Nvidia. Someone bought there and here once again. We got a huge market. Market is a bit green now. We might have a huge continuation. Upstart 6% now. Let's see if we have a continuation for Upstart. Just remember, guys, we might have a huge pullback after this huge pump. This is always the case. Okay, I think we're gonna hit our first profit taken for AMD around the 125.44. Yeah, it's getting near. Good hunt for this one, guys. Again, guys, press the like button on the way in. We almost 100 likes. Great hunt, Alvaro. Yes, sir. AI is still bumping, guys. As we said, AI is still open. Our trade is still open for AI. As we said, is looking pretty nice. We entered around this level, the 28, I think. Let me just go back. What's going on? Okay. Anyway, so we're still going up 10%. AI, as we said, if we broke the 32, we're gonna go toward the 35. This one still holding. GCT bounce from our bottom price, as we said, the $6.40. Great bounce. WLDS. Okay, we have a pullback. BBYQ pullback, as we said. As we said, it's not good to enter here. What's going on? Let me. This is going on. What a pain in the. Okay, so as we said, this one is still going up, AI, and Nvidia is going up. Okay, so let me just go to the growth stocks. Oh man, AMD hitting our profit taking. 4% AMD looking good, looking good, looking good. As well for Meta. Time to buy, time to load up. Looking good, the market looking good, guys. So Meta, man, Meta, I think we need time to go there to the profit taking. We need the huge time. So for Meta, looking nice for the next week, maybe. Yeah, toward the $2.90. And yeah, we got great earnings before. So yeah, Meta looking good for a continuation. If we hold the 243, let me just check how much we can do from here. 5% down, and if we pumped 11%. Not bad. So Meta looking good, guys. Meta. Or I'll just say okay, so we got Meta, we got Amazon as well looking good. Amazon looking pretty nice. Amazon pretty nice. We got earnings good. We might have a breakout next week, guys. 122. Amazon looking good for a continuation. Meta, this one is a bit risky. Yeah, but it's good. Palantir still going up, slow and steady. Okay, we might have another break for Palantir now. Okay, AMD hit our profit taking, guys, and broke from it even. Great hunt, guys, for the people who took this trade. Just adjust the level here. Next profit taking is the 132 and then the 140. This one looking juicy, guys. This one looking juicy. And I think AMD looking better than Nvidia because Nvidia is overextended and we already did the huge pump. So AMD have more room to pump. Have more room. Nvidia started to reverse. Okay, PACW start to reverse as well. Interesting play for PACW. We'll see. Again, guys, press the like button on the way in. Don't forget. Okay, AI is getting a bit shorted here, guys. Watch out. The 32 should be a breakout zone. Watch out. Who's getting near really important level. The 32, guys. 32. Watching AI getting near a breakout zone. There's two things we can do here. We could actually exit with profit and then re-enter once we break here, this level, or we keep our trade as long as we hold this level of support is good. So there's two levels. Either we do swing trailing stop, or close our position, re-entering on the breakout zone. So you have to decide which kind of strategy you want to go with. Okay, this one is tricky. See, we didn't go toward the 4. We have kind of breakout before we're gonna go toward the 4. I don't know. This one is kind of tricky now. It tricked us. You know, when I have this kind of stock that don't respect my levels or kind of don't hit my entry point, I will never trade it. I will leave it. Like for this one, I was waiting for a continuation here. Boom, toward the 4 for a good entry. But the price reversed before that, so I don't want to enter. Simple as that. It's kind of having options, you know. The more you have options is good and bad, because once you have options, let's say for trading stocks, you don't feel FOMO if like the stock didn't go to your support or breakout. You don't feel FOMO. You leave it be and you go to the other stock. But at the same time, having many options can make you paralyzed from trading, because you have to choose one or two at least. You can't trade all the stocks in the market. There's thousands of them. The same with human beings. Trading, as we said, like stocks is like women's. So you have to decide which woman you want to get out with it, like to take a date or take a drink. And there's many girls to actually go out with. But the most important thing is having options. Yes, having many girls to date, but at the same time, you have to decide which one will be good for you. It's not crazy because we don't have time, you know. You go out with date like many of them, it's kind of crazy. That if you have options, of course, some guys don't have options, but if you have options, you have to narrow down your list and choose wisely. The same with stocks, the same, guys. You can run with this dilemma, you know, in life. You can run from it. If you have many options, it's good, but you have to be willing to choose from those options, and it's really hard to do for many people. And make it easier for you to choose is knowing what you're looking for. For the stocks, we narrowed down our list from 100, then 10, then just one, because we know exactly what we're looking for. The same with life and work, where you want to live. If you know exactly what you like, it will make it easier to narrow down where you want to live, or where you want to work, or who you're gonna marry. It's the same principle, like actually fit for everybody. So if you're good with trading and narrow down the list from the stocks, you'd be good to go and like for all aspects of your life, I think. Louise, I think that this kind of mentality about guy going to the gym and being like fit doesn't work right now. Doesn't work. So a lot of guys who have abs and perfect body, girls have more options. So girls want guys who have abs, great body, rich, like at least making 1 million or 6 figures per year. He have to be handsome, he have to have long hair and things like this. Whoa. And he have to be like good cook and clean the house, take care of the babies, juggling balls, I don't know, walking on ropes. So for the girls have like a long list for the perfect guy. So when you say a guy who have abs, no, you have to work harder, brother. For man is really hard, you know. For the man is really hard. And don't forget the way that you speak, you know. So if you don't speak good with the girls, like even you have money and you have the body, it doesn't work. So yeah, it's tough time, man. It's tough time because now we have the age of options. Exactly, Jim. Exactly. So girls have the ball, you know. They could actually decide. Thank you, Farida. Appreciate it. LAES. We'll check it, brother. AI still holding. GCT pumped from the bottom. MBOT is still holding, guys. BBYQ as well. Let me just check this one for you, brother, and check. LAES. Wow, 10K worth of volume. Whoa, still holding our supports. Yes. We got a requested stock chart analysis update from one of our hunter. And we already did a short update for this stock on our Patreon. Let me just show you for LAES. You see, we do a lot of short analysis here. And yeah, this one. So we did it, I think, 2 days ago, and we said the $2.93 is our support, or the last support for this stock to hold. See with me. We have accumulation. See what happened here? Boom, price went down and bounced once again from the support. So the 12.93 should be our support, guys. If we broke it, it means we're gonna have the 10 and below the 10. And this stock is a new IPO. If you're new here, this stock, it just went public in the last few days. That's why many of you asking about this stock. Bud Monster, of course, man, of course, there's many good women, but the bad women are way bigger than good women, man, because everything changed now, man. the normal kind of interaction like what we have before in the 90s, we don't have it anymore. So this is now strange. If you're gonna talk to a stranger in the street, it's really strange to talk, you know, because everybody doing like Tinder and internet, and this has killed the interaction and the being spontaneous, talking to a woman in the street, or I don't know, in a bar, or like because now most guys and girls, they don't have the basic of introduce themselves and speak with a human, you know. Everybody on the internet, and this is kind of make me sad, man, because when I speak, nobody kind of ignites my interest, because when I speak, I like there's no engaging conversation, because a lot of people don't know how to talk, or I don't know, ask question, or know how to ask question. Jim, yes. You could actually move some stocks like this, just buying 1,000 shares and you can move the stock. But this is if the stock is really low float. Wow, AI started to pull back. AMD, man, is still strong. Amazon as well. So Amazon look pretty nice. Okay, Amazon is going for the killing. Okay, perfect. We are back. We are back. Let's go. Sorry for the issue, guys. Okay, so as we said, we watching AI, we watching ONFO. As we said, we're still holding the $1.93. We got a great reversal. The breakout zone should happen pretty soon for this one. Yes, we might have a breakout now around the $2.37. So we'll watch AI, still looking good. Watch out, guys. AI, we might have a pullback, because as we said, the 32 should be a breakout zone. Bud Monster, great brother. Yes, profit is profit. That's good. As we said, here is danger zone, okay? If you entered with a big position, exit, okay? Take your profit. Then re-enter once again around the 32.30 when we break it. But now is dangerous zone for AI. GCT, still holding the support. As long as we hold the $6.40, game on. Okay, let's check. AMD, man, AMD, time to pull back. We need a pullback. We need a pullback. Come on, guys, we need a pullback. Amazon is going up, is like no tomorrow. Okay, Amazon looking good, guys. Amazon looking good and juicy. We might have a great week for Amazon next week. Look, it's time to reverse actually for Amazon. It's time to reverse. We got 20-1 split, and now we might have huge pump. Yeah, Amazon looking good, guys. Amazon for the 122 still pumping up. This one as well still pumping. 59 MRVL looking good for a swing as well. It's getting hot today. It's getting hot, guys. Again, plus the like button on the way in, guys. We almost 100 likes. Bud Monster, great hunt, brother. Have a great day. Welcome back, brother. Yeah, this is good deal, brother. Going to touch the grass, enjoying the sun, because yeah, today is a great day, man. Yeah, Cranny, I think we got shorted or hacked by the short sellers. Hopefully not hacked, but disrupt our live streaming, man. They are disrupting our live streaming. That's why we're gonna do a power hour today, a live streaming, especially on our Patreon. So there's no disruption over there. Watch out, guys. Today, power hour, a great hunt. We're gonna hunt for mini stocks before the market close, and doing Q&A for all your questions before the market close for the hunt for the next week, because we're gonna have a long weekend, guys. Long weekend. Monster videos, how to join the power hour. It's really pretty simple. You just join our hunter channel here. Let me just show you exactly what I mean. You go on the membership and choose one level. The first level is sold out, so you could actually choose the second, the third, or the fourth, and then you can get the alert on our live streaming power hour before the market close by 1 hour on our Patreon. So if you like one of our hunter, or if you sign up with us, you can have the live streaming, special live streaming on our Patreon. And here's the link is up there. Is already pinned it on our chat section, around chat section up there. So you go there and you click on the link and you go directly on our Patreon. You are welcome, Monster Videos. Man, we almost 100, guys. 89 likes. Come on, show some love. Friday, guys. This is Friday live streaming. It's not Saturday night live. We're gonna do Friday night live. Friday night live with Jesus. It's my favorite show, guys. Back in the days, Saturday Night Live. I like this comedian show, man. It's really funny. I don't know if anybody here watching Saturday Night Live. Really amazing show. Really funny. And especially with Will Ferrell, I think. No, with there's some guys really funny. Anyway, but I really like it, yeah. Oh man. Okay, let me just check. We have a struggle for this top gainer stock. Boom, boom, shika wow wow. Let me just check very quick what's going on. Yeah, the market is pumping like no tomorrow. Now we might have a pullback. Yes, now is pullback time. Whoa, Amazon is not pulling back. Look at this. Look at this. Oh, brother, look at this crazy rocket. Boom, it's going toward the 100, guys. 122. Oh, yes. Some of you said he likes Amazon around the 100. I don't think so. If we go toward the 100, this mean we're gonna have a huge sell-off and bearish momentum. But now Amazon is inside a bullish trend, so it's good for swing, guys. Amazon is really good now after the really good earnings. Amazon looking good now. 5%, from 3% to 5%. Whoa, whoa, whoa. It's going crazy, brother. This one's going crazy good. Marvel, Palantir as well is pumping. Yeah, yes, sir. But I'm waiting for a pullback for Amazon. I'm waiting for a pullback because it's pumping like no tomorrow. Look at this, man. We never had this kind of action. I think there's something going on, guys. That's why someone buying before the market close, or even early from now, is buying. Let me just check the news if we got something. Why this huge selling pressure or buying pressure? Okay, nonsense. Anyway, Amazon is still pumping like crazy. Yes. You know what? Okay, AI, we have AI. Let me just check Amazon because it looks good. Amazon looking good for a trade. We're getting near the pullback, so maybe I will wait until I will initiate a trade. Maybe I will open a trade before the market close in power hour to check if we're gonna break this level or not. So yeah, Amazon, I will put it on my list to buy back later on. Now is pullback time. Yes, we have a pullback time. You see, Amazon, everything's pulling back, so I'm watching for an entry for those stocks. Let me just check AMC. No, AMC not looking good now. ENVB. Whoa, ENVB is ready to pump, guys. Okay, let me just check if we got something. ATVK pumping from the bottom. Nvidia will take it from the list here. SHPH, not good for today. BMR, not good for today. SFR, not good for today. So I'll put ENVB. Yes, man, this one looking juicy now. I'll put it with those three, top three stock that we gonna watch in power hour. We got AI, of course. We got ENVB now. It's getting near. GCT is still looking good. This one and WLDS. No, it's not good, guys. This one, game over. That's why we took our profit and run. ELEV. Okay, AI, boom, ON of O. Perfect. Hiba, yes, it's going. I can do close stream today. Why? You want to buy eggs? Interesting. The debt ceiling physical. Interesting play. How everybody doing? Are we good? Are we in green? Let me know in the comment section. Are we green or red? Okay, okay guys. Boom, 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 boom. I think so the debt ceiling is for the next week. The US will hit the debt ceiling. Oh man, I don't know how many trillion now, or more than trillion, the debt. Let me just check here. The US debt ceiling. Boom. Wow, so we have debt ceiling coming up. Let me just go to the treasury. Debt limit is the total amount of money that the United States government is authorized to borrow to meet its existing legal obligation, including social security and medical benefits, military salaries, interest on the national debt, tax-free bonds, and other payments. Oh man, this is crazy. So we have here daily debt limit activity. So we have here how much. Okay, we got this one is in billions and this one in millions. Okay, okay. ENVB is breaking. Nope, it's not breaking. Just tested and got rejected around the $4.60. AI. Guys, I think we're gonna call it for today. That it is getting hot here inside my apartment. Today is really hot. So I think we're gonna call it for today, and we're gonna finish our live streaming for the power hour on our Patreon. Watch out, the market will be hot today. The market will be really hot. So expect our live streaming here on our Patreon. If you are members, you're gonna get the link, special link, exclusive here on our Patreon, and you'll be having access to our for our live streaming before the market close to hunt for the stocks for the next week before the market close, we're going to discuss the swing trade stocks and day trade stock. We might day trade if we have a power hour for some stocks, and we're going to swing trade. What means swing trade is like the last stock that we hunted for is Nvidia before actually the earnings. Let me just show you here for Nvidia. It was here before the market close and the earnings, and we discussed Nvidia breakout zone and entry point. So we're gonna have the same reaction. We're gonna hunt for stocks for the next week, Tuesday, because we're gonna have a long weekend. And again, for the people who live in the United States, happy Memorial Day, because on Monday is the Memorial Day, and that's why it's time off. And like happy in advance, happy Thanksgiving or Memorial Day or whatever day off they actually give in the United States, but I think it's Memorial Day, yes. And yes, we're gonna do a pre-market update on Tuesday, of course, not Monday. And hopefully you have a great weekend, and see you in the power hour if you're ready, hunter with us in our picture. Thank you for attending our live streaming, and see you in the next video. Destiny and Gem, of course, guys, we're gonna do a swing trade for you guys, of course. As we said, day trade is really hard to master because you have to get in and exit quickly. For swing trade, you can hold some stocks. So for you, Gem and Destiny, I think both of you are on our Patreon, yeah? If so, we can actually look on swing trade for you guys for a trade that would be good for the next week, okay? Got you guys, because last time a lot of you asked me about doing more swing trade because we do less before. Now we're gonna focus on swing trade as well. Thank you, Marco. Enjoy your weekend. Plus the like button on the way in, guys, please don't forget, and the way out, because we're almost hitting the 100. Now is 92 likes. Let's hit the 100, guys. Before we finish our live streaming, let's hit the 100 likes. Okay, Jem, great. We could actually discuss this in our live streaming. We're gonna check the entry point for AI and NVIDIA for you. When we have a dip for them, you can actually hunt for the dip. Lab design. My fingers are slow. This is good. Yes, Jim, you can rewatch the live streaming if you want. Joe Friedman, great. Yes, exactly. Hiba, yes, power hour, of course. Power hour is mean the last hour in trading session. The last hour. It's called power hour because many stocks are actually pumping before the market close. We have a huge volatility. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next update. And hopefully you have a nice weekend, long weekend. Enjoy it with the family, and happy Memorial Day in advance. Yes, Gem got shorted big time. Didn't hold the support.